Understanding, Made in the Shade, an easy guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. In this video, we'll explore the meaning, origin, and usage of the phrase, made in the shade. Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about idioms, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Made in the shade is an idiomatic expression used to describe a situation or condition where success is guaranteed or someone is in a very favorable position. It implies that everything is taken care of and there are no worries. This phrase often suggests ease and comfort, much like relaxing in the shade on a sunny day. The phrase, made in the shade, originated in the United States, likely in the mid-20th century. It's believed to come from the imagery of being in a comfortable and cool shade as opposed to being out in the hot, challenging sun. This contrast paints a picture of ease versus hardship, which is central to the idiom's meaning. To better understand this idiom, let's look at some examples. 1. After winning the lottery, Jake was made in the shade. 2. If you land that job, you'll be made in the shade. In these sentences, the phrase is used to convey a sense of assured success or comfort. When using made in the shade in conversations, it's important to ensure the context is informal and the meaning is clear. This idiom is perfect for casual conversations but might be out of place in formal settings. That's all for today's video on the idiom, made in the shade. We hope you now feel more comfortable using this phrase in your daily conversations. Remember, idioms are a fun and integral part of learning English, adding color and depth to the language. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.